अरविंद केजरीवाल है।
Deputy Chief Minister Snyaw Bhalang Dhar launched the Swachhata Hi Seva 2024 campaign in Shillong, running from September 17 to October 2nd. This year's theme, Swabhav Swachhata, Sanskar Swachhata, focuses on collective action and citizen involvement in cleanliness initiatives. Dhar emphasized the importance of community participation to make the campaign successful. He also announced plans to meet with deputy commissioners and block development officers to discuss strategies for maintaining cleanliness in local areas. The campaign aims to reinforce the spirit of public engagement in sanitation efforts.
It's for the beauty, it's for the environment, it's for the feeling if there is no cleanliness. I'm thankful to the government of India, which has been provided by the government of Meghalaya. So many support, even through PHE, through urban, to different programs in order to make all the households, especially in rural areas, we should have toilet all. And now the days and the time has come. It seems that it's not enough only to have toilet. It's a time for us to have also to bring the cleanliness, which is very, very important in our life.
Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam Sangma